Are you wondering if YouTube TV allows different profiles for users in the same household? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how profiles work on YouTube TV. If you're looking to personalize your streaming experience, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV supports multiple profiles, allowing up to 6 individual user profiles per account. Each profile is personalized with its own watch history, DVR library, and recommendations, making it easy for everyone in the household to enjoy their favorite shows without mixing content. To set up or switch profiles, simply click on your profile icon in the app or website and select or create a new one. This feature is especially helpful for families or roommates who share a single subscription but want their own unique viewing experience. Best of all, each profile can stream simultaneously on up to 3 devices at once. If this video helped you understand how profiles work on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.